Hello guys, today I want to show how to make the PLDC drive. Here this is the PLDC drive and this is the PLDC motor and this is the regulated power circuit. Here this is the homemade PLDC drive. It has 3 stages. Here this is the regulator stage and the PLDC drive and the monitor stage. Okay, now look at this. What are the basic components required for making the PLDC drive? Here, for making the PLDC drive, MOSFET IRF 44N 3 numbers, 10 nanofarad 103 3 numbers. 103 means that is code of the part materials number, and resistor 470K 3 numbers. Okay, next for the regulator IRF 540N and 1 number and 100K part 1 number. For monitor circuit, it indicates the 3-phase supply. Okay, LED 3 volt 3 numbers, 1K resistor 3 numbers. Okay, these are the materials required for making PLDC drive control. Okay, hello friends, look at the circuit. The circuit has 3 stages. First stage regulator stage, and the second one is monitor stage, and the third is PLDC drive. The regulator stage is used for vary the speed of the motor or vary the voltage. Okay, the monitor circuit used for whether the 3-phase is available or not. So the LED indicate the output is available or not. Okay, these are the special circuit. Now the drive, PLDC drive. Okay, this is a PLDC drive and the 3 output, 1, 2, 3 output. Okay, now look at the PLDC drive. How to prepare the PLDC drive and what are the steps? Here the first step, all the 3 MOSFET 44N IRF 44N 3 MOSFET is there. Here 3 capacitor. First step 10 nanofarad. The 3 capacitor is connected parallel to the pin 1 and 3. Okay, first procedure. Okay, next connect the link. Here a link third pin. All the MOSFET third pin is connected and taken out. This is the negative. Okay, negative terminal of the drive. Okay, next third procedure, connect the resistor 470K, that is 1 to 2, all the between 1 and 2, 2 and 3 and 3 and 1, the resistor is connected pin 1 to 2. So all the 3 resistors to be connected. Okay, next, okay, here the output terminal is taken from here or center pin. This is the drain. So center, you also take the center, whether which is easily available, which is easily approach. Okay, now I take the output here and the monitor circuit. From the output terminal, here LED with the resistor is connected and is connected to the neutral point of the drive. So the LED is indicate the power supply signals of the 3-phase. So whether all the terminals are properly connected or not, it indicates the 3-phase supply. Okay, so thus here the regulator is IRF 540N and part 100K. This is used for vary the voltage from 3 to 12. The 12 volt supply is given to the drive. Okay, now the 3 output terminals are connected to the motor. Okay, look at this, and the star point is connected to the regulator output, regulator output of the circuit. Okay, here now I am going to connect the motor to the PLDC drive and going to switch on. Okay, thank you. Look at this. The PLDC controller output 3 terminals given to the motor, and the star point is given to the train output. Okay, here this is the output of the regulator. Okay, now just check whether the circuit is correct or not. Just rotate the rotor, the LED flickering. Okay, here look at this, all the LEDs are flickering. That's why the circuit is properly connected. Okay, now I am going to start the motor. The motor is going to run. Here now I vary the regulator. Okay, here the power input is 9 volt and the current consumed 0.52 ohms. Okay, this is the homemade PLDC motor. It is already described in the earlier project. Okay, here this is the regulator circuit, and this is the monitor for 3-phase supply, and this is the PLDC drive. Okay, hello friends, if you like this project, please subscribe and press the bell button and also press the like button. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you very much.